Welcome to the lecture on the WGS-84 System, or World Geodetic System 1984, presented by Professor Gottapu Sasibhushana Rao, Senior Professor in the Department of ECE at AUCE. WGS-84 is mainly defined by three components: a reference ellipsoid, an Earth-centered, Earth-fixed coordinate system, and an Earth gravitational model. It is the standard global geodetic reference system used by GPS, providing a common reference for expressing positions, distances, and elevations on or near the Earth. Let's examine the reference ellipsoid. WGS-84 represents the Earth by an oblate ellipsoid, which is slightly flattened at the poles and wider at the equator. It provides the mathematical reference surface for geodetic latitude, longitude, and ellipsoidal height. Its principal parameters are A is equal to 6,378,137 meters and flattening F is equal to 1 to 98.25722356 where A is the semi-major axis. Next is the Earth-centered, Earth-fixed coordinate system. WGS-84 uses a right-handed ECEF Cartesian coordinate system where the origin is located at the Earth's center of mass. The x-axis passes through the equator at 0 degrees longitude, the y-axis passes through the equator at 90 degrees east longitude, and a z-axis coincides with the Earth's rotation axis pointing towards the North Pole. ECEF coordinates can be conveniently converted into geodetic coordinates consisting of latitude, longitude, and ellipsoidal height. Moving to the Earth gravitational model, this component represents the Earth's non-uniform gravity field. It defines the geoid, which is an equipotential surface that closely represents mean sea level. It is used to convert GPS-derived ellipsoidal height into orthometric height, representing elevation above mean sea level using the formula H is equal to Hn. Overall, WGS-84 provides a single worldwide reference through its reference ellipsoid, ECEF coordinate system, and Earth gravitational model. To summarize our height parameters, capital H represents the orthometric height above the geoid or mean sea level, lowercase h is the ellipsoidal height above the WGS-84 ellipsoid, and n denotes the geoid undulation or geoid height.